Today I'm going to talk about lighting mistakes because I've had times where I walked into a beautiful home but felt really overwhelmed. Most of the times it's not even decor but the lighting that's off. Hi, I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. I'll be sharing 7 common lighting mistakes and how anyone can easily fix them. Trust me, lighting can either make or break your room. You might not realize it, but lighting mistakes can stop your space from looking amazing. When we only use one light to brighten the whole room, it ends up looking unbalanced. Some spots feel way too bright while others too dark, and the harsh shadows doesn't feel inviting at all. You can fix this by using a mix of different lighting. Start with a main light to brighten the room, then add lamps or focused lights for specific areas like reading or cooking, and use lighting to highlight your artwork or decor. The right combination enhances both the function and design of your space. The one mistake we make while fixing dark spaces is making your room way too bright. Sometimes we think that the brighter the room, the better it is, but that's not true because too much of light can actually hurt your eyes and make the room feel uncomfortable. So instead of putting one super bright light in the room, several softer lights is a great substitute. This way the room will just be bright enough and not overwhelming. I love the dimmer switches as it gives you flexibility. When my kids are reading, I turn the lights up bright, but at night I dim them to get into a relaxing mood. On that note, it's easy to forget about shadows while we focus on getting the brightness right. We might end up creating harsh shadows that makes our space feel less cozy. And without having any shadows, everything can feel flat and boring. The key is to balance light and shadows to create a relaxing vibe. You can do this by using soft, indirect lighting or adding things like a lampshade to control how the light spreads. Similarly, not choosing the right size of design fixture is a big time design spoiler. A small room needs smaller lights and a big room might need something bigger like a chandelier. You guys, a good rule of thumb is that if you have higher ceilings, go for bigger fixtures. And if you have smaller space, go for slim fixtures. That's how your space won't look overwhelmed. There are so many light options out there now, whether you want something classic or modern LED. Choosing the right size does not mean you have to compromise on style. Another mistake is not thinking about the mood of the space. Lighting helps set the mood. So before you pick lights, think about how you want your room to feel. If you want to make your space cozy like a living room, go with warm lights. For a more energizing vibe, choose cooler lights. Instead of sticking to one type, consider getting bulbs that change color. You can use warm lights when you have guests and bright lights when you have family movie nights. You can set the mood however you like. Another thing to watch out is not highlighting artwork. Your art and decorations show off your personality, so they should stand out. I believe regular lights might not do the trick. You can add some accent lights to make your artwork really pop and get the attention it deserves and thank me later. And remember, using lights that complement your home decor is just as important. For instance, in a living room with classic furniture and chic wallpaper, the right lighting can enhance the overall look. You could add warm lighting to complete the look or use bright lighting that might clash with your design. Plan ahead and choose fixtures and lighting that blend with your room's style. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.